Ever wondered what makes animals so fascinating and unique? It's not just their variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, it's a whole world of intriguing behaviors, abilities, and trivia that make our fellow Earthlings so captivating. From the vast plains of Africa to the deepest parts of the ocean, animals put on a show of diversity that is unmatched. They can be as strange as they are familiar, as small as a flea or as large as a blue whale. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel some of the most surprising facts about animals. Starting off our list, we have some facts that might already be familiar to you. Let's dive into the animal kingdom and unearth some common yet fascinating details that make these creatures so intriguing. Did you know that elephants are the record holders for the longest pregnancy among all mammals? Yes, indeed. An elephant mother carries her baby for an astounding 22 months before it's ready to make its grand entrance into the world. That's almost 2 full years. Talk about a long-term commitment. While we're on the subject of fascinating animal abilities, let's talk turtles. These shelled reptiles possess a curious and slightly amusing trait. Turtles, it turns out, have the ability to breathe through their rear ends. This unique physiological capability, known as cloacal respiration, allows them to extract oxygen directly from the water around them. It's an essential survival trick for when they're submerged for long periods. How about those slithery snakes? You may have heard that they can dislocate their jaws to swallow prey larger than their heads. But did you know that they actually have 2 sets of jaws? The outer set is connected by elastic ligaments that stretch widely, while the inner set moves independently to walk the prey down their throat. Interesting, right? But hold on, we're just getting started. Now let's delve into some lesser-known facts about our animal friends. You might be familiar with the delightful image of sea otters floating on their backs. But did you know that these creatures have a rather charming bedtime routine? Yes, sea otters hold hands when they sleep to keep from drifting apart. Aw, isn't that adorable? Let's shift gears a bit and talk about our feathered friends. Picture a group of flamingos. Now, do you know what this vibrant gathering is called? It's not a flock, not a gathering, but a flamboyance. Quite fitting for these stylish birds, wouldn't you say? And speaking of birds, the albatross, known for its impressive wingspan, has another surprising talent. It can sleep while flying. Imagine that, a power nap while soaring through the skies. Now, let's dive underwater for a moment. You might be surprised to learn that an octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing to the rest of the body. Talk about wearing your hearts on your tentacles? Lastly, let's talk about a creature that's a little closer to home, your pet cat. Did you know cats can't taste sweetness? That's right, your feline friend is missing out on all the sugar-coated goodness of life. Bet you didn't know some of these, but the best is yet to come. And now, for the grand finale, the most surprising facts about animals. Let's dive right in. Did you know that kangaroos are physically incapable of walking backwards? Yes, that's right. Their muscular hind legs and large feet are fantastic for powerful forward hopping, but when it comes to moving backwards, they're simply not designed for it. Moving on to our slimy friends, the snails. These little creatures are known for their slow pace, but did you know they can sleep for up to 3 years? Yes, 3 years. They enter this prolonged sleep or estivation to survive periods of extreme heat or dryness. Talk about a long nap. Now let's talk about the animal kingdom's most skilled builders, the beavers. They can fell hundreds of trees using nothing but their sharp teeth to build intricate lodges and dams. What's even more surprising is that they are second only to humans in their ability to manipulate and change their environment. And finally, here's a fact about our winged friends, the hummingbirds. These tiny creatures are the only birds in the world that can fly backwards. They can also hover in midair, fly upside down, and even fly sideways. They truly defy the rules of bird flight. These facts truly show the amazing diversity and uniqueness of animals. Well, there you have it. We've journeyed through the not-so-surprising to the utterly astonishing facts about our diverse animal kingdom. From the tiny ants that can carry 20 times their body weight to the majestic blue whales whose hearts are as large as a car, nature never ceases to amaze us. It's a reminder that we share this planet with incredible creatures, each with their unique quirks and capabilities. Remember, there's always more to learn about the fascinating world of animals. Stay curious and keep exploring.